As research progresses, scientists are increasingly looking to nature for inspiration. The discovery of novel enzymes from different organisms could reveal yet unknown mechanisms of genome editing. These explorations could pave the way for more adaptable and efficient editing tools in the future. The world of genome editing is rapidly evolving, with many innovations offering tools that extend beyond CRISPR's capabilities. Each alternative presents unique benefits and challenges, allowing researchers to tailor the technology to meet specific scientific or medical needs. The future is bright for genome editing, as it opens potential pathways for successful gene therapies